What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on Unifi protocol. As you can see, it has pumped up about 30% in the last 24 hours, making it $6.25. Most of the pump did come from not the last 24 hours, but I would say over the last 10 hours. As you can see, it was worth around $4.70, pump up to $5, and right now trading around $6. So is it a good time to buy? Is it going to drop down in value? As you can see, a huge green candlesticks mean a massive increase in value. So we're going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view. Is it time to buy? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop down? Should you sell it? So on and so on. And looking at its next potential target over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low can this crypto go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So according to Coinbase, Unifi protocol is the third top gainer in the last 24 hours, and as you can see, in the last hour itself, it managed to gain just about 3% in value. Over the last day, 30%. Over the week, 25%. We did see it go all the way up to about $7.20 about a week ago, and then dropped all the way down to $4, and right now pumping back up in value. And over the month, a massive 143%. And yes guys, we did see it go all the way to $41 on the 7th of June, just about 4 weeks ago. But as you can see, literally went up and then straight away dropped back down in value in a couple of hours. But yeah, those people who did take out the profit at this, when it hit $41, they probably made a huge amount of money, obviously depending on how much they invested into the crypto. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see that the trading volume has also gone up by, let's have a look here, 112% in the last 24 hours, making it $91 million in trading volume, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Unifi protocol. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been one of the top gainers, so it's getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, meaning more and more traders. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we've also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Unifi protocol at $5.38. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value at $6.22, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we got both the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction. Again, they are looking quite steep when you zoom out, but the only reason for that is the huge increase that's taken place here. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, it's going to keep going for a bull run, so on and so on. But again, as usual, that is not the case. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you would know that I've always said this: whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, and this is a great example, it has to come back down in value, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Unfi. So I'm expecting it to take a little dip over the coming hours. So over the next 6-7 hours, I'm expecting it to drop down to around under the $6, but under the $5 mark as well. Not $5, sorry, $5.50 over, let's say by midday tomorrow, we should be back down to between $5 and $5.50. But don't get me wrong, we are going to see peaks, we are going to see dips. It may even go up to about $6.50, $6.70 as well, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. So yeah, do expect more red candlesticks over the next 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, very similar pattern as the previous one. We still got the blue line and the orange line going in a positive direction. So according to the graph, over the next 7-8 days, so towards the end of next week, we should expect more increases on this crypto, keep going up in value, so on and so on. But again, I am not expecting that. I'm expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming days. So again, that doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days, we are going to have red days, but the overall outcome at this point, again, seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now we're looking much more realistic, no more steep lines. We got the blue line just about slanting towards the positive direction and the orange line going towards the negative direction. So essentially we got two lines going opposite direction. So more or less what we should expect over the coming weeks is obviously peaks and dips as usual, but at the current price range, which is $6.28. I'm not saying it's going to be exactly $6.28, but around that price range is what we should be trading at in about the next, let's say towards mid to late August. We should be around that price target. But again, any major updates or major news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Unifi protocol, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can, especially that we still got a good 6-7 weeks for that time. Guys, it may take, anything can happen. We may see Bitcoin going to 35-40k, or we may see a drop down to 10-15k, and anything like that can have a major impact on the value of this crypto. So guys, what I've put together is a Telegram group chat for you guys where I give you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, on what to expect, where it's heading to, my price targets for that specific day, is it moving in a bullish or bearish direction, so on and so on, and showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. All you guys need to do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. So just to give you guys a clear image on what's going to happen once you sign up, you're going to get put into two group chats. One is this one where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The second one is a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies and new projects, and that is where I'll also give you guys daily updates on Bitcoin, as you can see here. This is an old screenshot from about a month ago when Bitcoin was trading at 29.5k, hence why you see that different figures on here. But yeah, and also give you guys predictions on different cryptos that you guys request for in the group chat. Again, any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, the link is again in the description box down below. So back to Unifi protocol. As you can see, we are looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and we are trading in the red zone at the moment. We are not too low at the moment. We are in the middle bit of the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone, we're gonna have to hit $11.42, which we are basically just about halfway there, and I am not expecting any major increases at the moment from this crypto. So more or less for the rest of the year, I am expecting us to trade in the red zone, but as long as we slowly and steadily start moving in a positive direction, that's all that matters. So hopefully we should be heading into the green zone, hopefully very late this year or early next year. But again, you guys have asked for regular updates on this crypto, so I'll make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form. And especially all the subscribers out there, massive thank you to all of you guys, as it means a lot and helps me out a lot as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible. And on that note guys, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.